In our second tutorial for GIMP, we'll go over how to open images, save them into different formats, as well as exporting images depending on what you need for various projects. Similar to Photoshop, we'll show you how you can open an image in GIMP. Just click the File drop-down, click on New, and the New Image window will pop up. From here, you can set a template for your files, which might include a size a client for your job wants or your project needs. Change the image size, width, and height on your own, and change if it's in portrait or landscape. Advanced options will let you do similar things to Photoshop, which is change resolution, color, and what you fill the background with before you start working. To open a file, just go to File, click Open, and search for any file you'd like to open. I'll open the file that we've been using in our Photoshop tutorials. Note that GIMP can open Photoshop files as well as PNG, JPEG, and PDF files. It's a very versatile program. You can also open a file into your current image as layers, so you can essentially import an image onto another one. Just like Photoshop, you can save the file as its own type, which is XCF, or you can export it through the File drop-down, then click Export As option. Here you can click the drop-down and save it as any myriad of options, including PNG, JPEG, and PDF. That's it for the basics of creating, saving, and exporting in GIMP.